What's good, y'all? It's Fresco BK back with one of the hypest packs of 2021, the Air Jordan times Billie Eilish AJKO and Air Jordan 15. I know y'all want to see what that looks like, so say less or all is talking. Yo, let's get straight to these shoes. Billie Eilish, one of Stadium Goods' favorite sneaker shopping guests of all time. Her presentation sonically and her fashion style have stayed true to the organized chaos of King Billy. Billie dominated last year's Grammys, taking home Album of the Year, Song of the Year, and multiple other Grammy Awards, bringing her to a total of 7 Grammys, and you guys already know 7's my favorite number. But back in 2019, she let us know a little bit about her style, the fact that she prefers neon colors, chunky styles over more of the what she deems as girly styles, and the fact that she loves a challenge in picking out her favorite silhouettes. And when Billie came in, she let us know that the Gatorade Jordan 1 and also the Air Jordan 15 were 2 of her favorite styles. So it only makes perfect sense that now in 2021, we get the release of the AJKO and the Air Jordan 15. So here we have the box top for the AJKO, full matte black, has the Billie Eilish and then the Jumpman logo right there on the top, has the Billie in the front of the box and the Eilish in the back. But as we open up this box, you'll see that the packaging also reads Billie Eilish with that Jumpman logo, but let's get these out and let me know what you guys think. So here we have the Billie Eilish AJKO Ghost Green. The AJKO is one of Jumpman's OG styles and originally is kitted out in a full canvas upper, but with the Billie Eilish release, this one is made of vegan leather and recycled materials. So as we get throughout the full ghost green tonal upper, you'll see the AJKO Wings logo right there on the side. We have the tonal lace. We have the Billie Eilish logo right there on the tongue, which is a cool detail, and also the Jumpman logo on the back of the tongue. Back panel of the shoe features the pull tab, and as we get to the midsole, slightly chunkier midsole. So the AJKO is the thicker sister of the Air Jordan 1, and you'll see directly in regards to silhouette and style. But as we get to the outsole, features the full ghost green outsole with the Nike logo in the middle. And these shoes also feature not only the ghost green laces, but 3 other sets of laces. I believe this is like a beige, blue, and also the orange. So you can either go tonal, or you can spice it up a little bit. Fits Billie's color and palette style. And here we have one last look at the AJKO Billie Eilish, but next we're gonna transition into the Air Jordan 15. And here we have the Billie Eilish Air Jordan 15. Now, Billie's sneaker choices are a little bit different from the norm, and she challenges herself and prides herself on picking shoes that are a little bit outside of the box. So one of her favorite silhouettes is the Air Jordan 15, and normally the Air Jordan 15 is a toss-up. Some people really love it, some people a little bit on the fence, but with the detailing and the presentation that she put on these, I think they're gonna be an automatic hit. So as we get into the upper, this is a fully beige upper, and yes, there's no special name for this one. It is just beige like it says on the box, but maybe someone will come up with something. We have the collar tongue right here, which features the mesh that runs throughout that lace area right down the middle. The Billie Eilish logo right there on the tongue. The Jumpman logo on the outer panel, but on the inside of that panel features the Billie Eilish logo. We have the pull tab there at the back. This shoe is like double layered, so there's an overlay of the vegan leather and then the underlay of the mesh, completely tonal beige laces that I just spoke about before. We have the classic 15 detailing on that back panel under the pull tab. And as we get to the midsole, the chunkiness. So as I mentioned earlier, Billie loves a chunky shoe, and this fits the complete aesthetic of the chunky style shoe. And as we get to the outsole, fully tonal beige outsole. And just so you guys know, the box on the Air Jordan 15 is the same as the box on the AJKO. Matte black, Billie Eilish logos, and also the Jumpman logo. But here we have the Billie Eilish Air Jordan 15. You already know at Stadium, we don't only have you covered with the fly feet, but we can sauce up your whole fit from head to toe. So with that being said, this is from our new Pariso collection, which is available on stadiumgoods.com, but I would partner this up with this AJKO Ghost Green, as you can see, and it fits Billie's total aesthetic. But outside of just this awesome hoodie, I would definitely finish that off with this green glow sock. If you can see, this is completely tonal, and this sock glows in the dark. So if you really want to have pop when you step out, I would definitely step out with the AJKO and the green glow sock. But with the Air Jordan 15, I'd sauce it up a little bit different and add a slight color pop, or a different color pop, I should say. So the Biome sock pack, which features 6 pairs of socks in various colors, goes so well with the Air Jordan 15. You'll see the color combination with this, the beige, or with the blue. I think either one's a good look, and we have several other pieces from our Eco Fleece collection and our new sweatpants, and there's so much to choose from, whether it be from our Stadium line or our Stadium Goods line. But we have all of these available right here at Stadium Goods, located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, or 60 East Walton Street in Chicago's Gold Coast area. But tell them that Fresco sent you. And if you cannot make it out to the store, make sure you guys visit stadiumgoods.com or download the Stadium Goods app, available on iOS and on Android, because we update the app daily with kicks, fits, and apparel, all from Stadium Goods. So make sure you guys click and subscribe to our YouTube and watch all of our videos, because I said so, and stay tuned for some great upcoming news that we got straight from Stadium Goods. So I am Fresco BK. This has been the Billie Eilish, or the Air Billie pack as I'm gonna call it, AJKO and Air Jordan 15. And I am Fresco BK, and salud.